Located in the coveted coastal community of La Jolla, just minutes from the beach and downtown village, sits the stunning property 2006 Olite Court. Set on a half-acre of land, this beautiful residence exemplifies the luxurious La Jolla lifestyle with its magnificent interior and resort-style grounds. With over 3,400 square feet of well-designed living spaces, this 3-bedroom, 4-bath home with high ceilings and inviting, sunlit rooms flows seamlessly together, showcasing the bright and open floor plan. And with over $500,000 in renovations, each room has been meticulously designed and upgraded. Entertain friends in the richly appointed living room with its stately fireplace, or head outside through one of the numerous doors leading out to the beautifully landscaped backyard. Perfect your favorite dish in the fully equipped chef's kitchen with its state-of-the-art appliances, large kitchen island, and an attached breakfast nook. Unwind in the downstairs master retreat with its own sitting area, spa-inspired master bath, and doors leading out to the backyard. Once upstairs, you'll find a second private master suite, complete with vaulted ceilings, a large fireplace, and a beautiful bathroom. Enjoy the beautiful Mediterranean climate in the expansive resort-style grounds. With the sparkling pool and spa, bocce ball court, and 2 outdoor fireplaces with patios, you can entertain with ease, and comes complete with manicured landscaping with numerous fruit trees. Just a quick drive to the village, where you can find upscale boutiques and gourmet restaurants, and you're just minutes away from some of La Jolla's most famed attractions. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a beautiful home in one of Southern California's most prime communities.